Shenzhen Realan Computer Technology Company Limited was founded in year 2002. As a China national high-tech enterprise and Shenzhen high-tech enterprise, we are committed to providing customers with R&D services of many computer products and OEM/ODM production services. Our main products: Mini Computer and Industrial PC, NUC, Mini ITX Computer Case, DC, DC-ATX, Power Board and Adapter. Our products have been widely used in the fields of industrial control system, Internet of Things devices, cloud-based terminals, smart control system, covering industries of consumer electronics, education, medical, finance, retailing, entertainment. Realan's products have passed CCC, CE, ROSE, TÜV, KC certifications, and Realan has obtained more than 100 independent intellectual property rights and national patents. Realan Technology not only have well-equipped production and reliability test machines, we also follow strict quality control process to ensure the products delivered to our clients are finely made and with extremely low defective rate. With a professional team of engineers, experienced workers, and attentive salespeople, we have served customers from USA, Russia, Germany, Ukraine. Realan's own brand, E-Mini and Mr. NUC, are also well known in the mini computer industry and praised among our clients. Realan Technology creates a better tomorrow with you.